Deep in the dark jungles of Sulawesi, Taro the tiny Tarsier leapt swiftly from branch to branch. His large eyes spotted a juicy grasshopper, his favorite snack. But just as he was about to pounce, a shadow loomed above him, an owl. Without hesitation, Taro sprang into action, dodging the predator's sharp talons. He quickly hid behind thick leaves, holding his breath. Moments later, the owl disappeared into the night. Taro let out a sigh of relief. Tonight, he survived. Tomorrow, a new adventure awaited.